Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. This is CBSE Class 10 Math series. In this class we'll be solving exercise 1.2 third problem. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems with solutions. The video link is in the description to check it out. Here the question is, prove that the following are irrational. Here we have three sub-questions. This is first one. You can follow the same thing. For second problem, for second sub-question and third sub-question, you can you do yourself by following all this. Okay. Prove that the following are irrational for this kind of problems. Previous 2-3 classes are coming under the same concept, like prove problems are same, like prove this number is a irrational kind of thing. So for each and every problems we'll be solving, we are following several steps. We have to know the some techniques. What is proof by contradiction, and this techniques we have to know. You can refer all those classes first so that you can understand this problem easily. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, we have to write the given thing. What is given? 1 by square root of 2 is given, right? We need to verify that 1 by square root of 2 is irrational. For this solution, we should follow several steps. Step number one is assume the opposite. What is the opposite here? This is irrational. That's given. What's the opposite of this one? Irrational? Rational, right? Opposite of irrational is rational. So step number one is assume the opposite. So we can write 1 by square root of 2 is rational. That's what we are writing. Assume the opposite. Rational. Okay. We can write any rational number in the form of fraction. So I can write 1 by square root of 2 equal any fraction. You can take any letter. I am taking A by B. This is a type of fraction, right? So if particular number is rational, that should satisfy several conditions. We have to write all these conditions. What are that? Where A comma B belongs to integers and B should not be 0, and A and B are co-prime. I'll explain all these conditions with the example. For example, I am checking 1 by 3. This is a rational number. This is a fraction also. Here 1 and 3. 1 is an integer, 3 is an integer, right? So I am writing A and B belongs to integers. And here if it is a fraction means that denominator should not be 0, right? So we have to write here denominator is 3, right? Here B is not equal to 0. And A, B are co-prime. Co-prime means if two number has exactly only one as a common factor, then that particular two numbers are called as co-prime. Here 1 and 3 factors. We have to find out the factors of 1 and then find out the factors of 3. Factors of 1 would be 1, right? 1. And 3 would be 1 and 3. Why? Because I can divide 3 by 1 completely, 3 by 3 completely. So the factors of 3 would be 1, 3. In these two cases, the common factor is 1. So in these two cases, we have only 1 as a common factor. So that we can say 1 and 3 is a co-prime. Similarly, we can say A and B is a co-prime. Okay. These are all the several steps and conditions you have to follow. You can take this equation as number 1. Okay. From this equation only we are going to solve other steps. We are going to find out other steps. And this one is step number 1. Next step number 2. Step number 2 is, as usual, rearrange. Rearrange. Rearrange means we are going to take this at the final stage. We are going to keep this one term, that square root of 2. That term should be in one side and other terms should be in other side, right? Okay, that's what we are writing this step number 2 as rearrange. Okay, 1 by root 2 equal a by b. 1 by root 2 equal a by b. We can do the cross multiplication, right? 1 into b equal root 2 into a. So I can write b equal 1 into b, right? So I can take 2a root of 2, right? We can write like this, and I can interchange the steps. A square root of 2 equal b. Now I have to take this term in this left side and other term should go that side. So root 2 equal a, this b, this is b, right? This a becomes, a will go to here, b by 2, right? This square root of root 2 is here and a should go here, b by 2, right? What we have found? Root 2 equal b by 2. Here already we had proven several numbers as irrational. Among that, root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational, root 2 also irrational. You can check it out. So I am directly writing root 2 is irrational. Okay, and b by 2. b by 2. Here b could be any integer and 2 is an integer. So this is a type of fraction. It's a fraction. So we can say this is a rational number. I can write this is a rational number. This both are different. So this is not equal to, this irrational is not equal to rational, right? This is a contradiction. So our assumption is wrong. In step number 1, what we had written, assume the opposite. This 1 by root 2 is rational. We assumed that only, right? So here we had found some contradictions, so that automatically this 1 by root 2 is irrational. Why? Because we are using proof by contradiction technique. What is proof by contradiction? Proving our assumption is wrong. That is proof by contradiction techniques. This is the basic thing. Already I had discussed about this in my introduction video, this irrational concepts. If you check out that video, you'll be able to understand these concepts. So proof by contradiction is nothing but proving our assumption is wrong. Finally, so our assumption is wrong. Assumption is wrong. So that how we can write the answer? Hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. 1 by root 2 is irrational. This is the answer of this first sub-question in the third problem. There is 2 more sub-questions are there. You can do yourself by following all these steps. Concepts are same. You can do it yourself. This is all about third problem in exercise 1.2. Practice it and try to do yourself. hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, hit like button and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny is signing off.